Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. It's Marilyn here. Hi to everyone. I have an unboxing video I want to show you the August limited edition kit by my great Scrapbook. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful kit, and like always I will show you first the paper because you know that I am a paper lover. And look, this is the Glory of the Garden collection by Blue Fern Studio. Let me start with this paper. Look how beautiful it is with the water fountain and all the flowers. Look, this one, you can cut all these in card. Oh, but I love this side. Oh, I love this paper. It reminds me Puerto Rico. I don't know why, but it's so beautiful. Oh, look, this other to create something. Beautiful paper. Oh, this is so pretty. You can cut out all these flowers. Oh, look, the bag. Beautiful too. And this is very vintage. How awesome. Just love this pink side. Oh, look, all these gates to cut out and create something. So pretty too. Oh, this paper is beautiful. Look, this gate with the flowers. The back also is pretty. Oh, look, this birdhouse. It is a gorgeous both sides, and this is so pretty with the butterflies. So beautiful, the paper that comes this month in the limited edition kit. Okay, now I'm going to show you the rest of the products that comes this month. Let me start with one of my favorite that are the stencil. Look how pretty is this stencil by Vicky Boutin. So pretty. You get a glitter sticker alphabet by American Craft. Let me see. You get a stamp by Pink Paisley. Look, the butterflies, and I think that the light don't let me. I see now that it's hard to see the stamp. You get a package of ephemera with a different die cut from the same collection. Let me show you a few of these pieces here. You get flowers, a birdhouse, you get quotes, cards, more flowers, a gate. Ah, look, this different too. You can use a water fountain, many pieces with quotes. Look, the chair. Oh, butterflies. For me, never is enough of butterfly. I just love butterfly. Look, these pieces. Oh, these are pretty. Let me put all these pieces on the box again, on the package, not the box. Let me continue. You get a color bloom. It is like a gold color. You just need to add water and it will be ready. And last but not least, the 3 packages of flowers by Prima. Look how gorgeous are these pink flowers. You get one with very soft pastel and one package with white flowers. Beautiful. Let me put all the product here so you can have a better look of all that comes in this kit. You get the full collections of the Glory of the Garden by Blue Fern Studio, the flowers, the stencil. Anyway, you will get the link to this kit down below in the description box, and I come back soon with my first video tutorial that I have for you. And I see you soon. I let you hear 2 more videos that maybe you are interested, and I see you soon with my first video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.